Hey everyone, this is Natasha, and without wasting much time, I shall directly come to my motive of making this video. We all learn and read a lot, go through an ocean of different topics when it comes to cracking competitive examinations of India, especially UPSC. Just like this, I will be making videos on some of the most important topics to be covered for UPSC and state PSC examinations. Alright, so this is part 1 of the video where I will be covering the topic Tiger Reserves of India. The next part of this topic will be uploaded soon. Hope you'll enjoy learning. So, first of all, this is a brief introduction which you must know, and questions may be asked. For example, there are 50 tiger reserves in India, and next, and then we should know that this is governed by Project Tiger, and Project Tiger is administered by National Tiger Conservation Authority, a very important fact to remember. Then we should also know that India is home to 70% of tigers population in the world. Although these figures are not at all important, but you should know in case you have to write in your mains examination. Then the highest number of tigers are found in the state of Karnataka. Alright? Okay, so let's start. Along with the names of the tiger reserves, I'm also mentioning some important facts pertaining to each tiger reserve. You can also expect questions, especially in your preliminary examination, from these facts. Guys, I will be giving you the list of tiger reserves state-wise so that it will be easy for you to remember. First of all, we have Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. It is in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the most important fact to remember here is that it is the largest tiger reserve in India. Next, we have the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Here we have three tiger reserves. The first one is the Pake Tiger Reserve, and let me mention this, guys, that question related to this tiger reserve was asked in the year 2018 related to this information that this tiger reserve won India Biodiversity Award 2016 in the category of conservation of threatened species for its hornbill nest adoption program. Okay, and the second tiger reserve in this state is the Namdapha National Park. And the third one in the state of Arunachal Pradesh is Kamlang Wildlife Sanctuary. And we should remember that Kamlang River flows through this sanctuary. So next is the state of Assam. There are four tiger reserves in the state of Assam. First one is the Manas National Park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is under Project Tiger Reserve, under Elephant Reserve, and a Biosphere Reserve. Also, Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan is contiguous with the Manas National Park in Assam. And we should also remember that there are some endangered endemic wildlife species which are found in this very national park. For example, Assam roof turtle, hispid hare, golden langur, and pygmy hawk. Okay, so the second one is Orang National Park, also known as Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. And also remember this fact, guys, that it is located on the north bank of Brahmaputra River and is also known as Mini Kaziranga National Park. Alright, next we have is the Nameri National Park, and River Jia Bharoli is the lifeline of Nameri. We should remember that. And the last one in the state of Assam is Kaziranga National Park. This is very important, guys. Two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros are found in this national park, and it is also an important bird area and recognized by BirdLife International. Alright, remember this thing. Then we have only one tiger reserve in the state of Bihar, that is the Valmiki Tiger Reserve. It is the easternmost limit of the Himalayan Terai forest. And one thing we should also remember here that it is on the bank of river Gandak. Alright, so this is the state of Chhattisgarh. Here we have three tiger reserves, namely Indravati National Park, Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve, and Achanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary. So first of all, Indravati National Park. It has derived its name from Indravati River and home to one of the last population of rare wild buffaloes. All right. So guys, Udanti and Sita Nadi are two different wildlife sanctuaries which were merged. And while Sita Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary has derived its name from Sita Nadi River, and Udanti Wildlife Sanctuary has derived its name from Udanti River. Lastly, in the state of Chhattisgarh, we have Achanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary. Guys, you have heard of Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. So, Achanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary is the part of this biosphere reserve, that is Achanakmar Amarkantak. I will also be covering biosphere reserves of India in the coming video. Then in the state of Jharkhand, we have only one tiger reserve, that is the Palamau Tiger Reserve. It is part of Betla National Park, and North Koil River runs through this. Remember this, guys. These are some of the most important facts that are out of my own notes. I'm sharing this with you because, in my point of view, these are the most important information which you must know about every tiger reserve of India. They're not just going to ask you the names of tiger reserve or where they are actually situated, but they might also ask you that, North Koil River runs through which reserve, which tiger reserve. So you must know that it is the Palamau Tiger Reserve in the state of Jharkhand. So in the state of Karnataka, we have five tiger reserves. First one is the Bandipur National Park. Second one is Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. We should remember that Hebegiri is the highest peak in this sanctuary. Next one is Nagarhole National Park. It is part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Fourth one is Bilgiri Ranganath Temple, and it is at the confluence of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Alright, guys, remember this information. And the last one in the state of Karnataka is Dandeli Anshi, and it was renamed to Kali Tiger Reserve in December 2015. After that, in the state of Kerala, we have two tiger reserves, namely Periyar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary and Parambikulam Tiger Reserve. So, about Periyar National Park, we have to remember that it is a notable elephant and tiger reserve, and Parambikulam Tiger Reserve is in the Sangam range of hills between Anamalai Hills and Neliampatti Hills. Uh, Alright guys, so first part of my video ends here. I will upload the next part soon, maybe tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video and the facts that I gave you along with everything. So if you have liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and share. Thanks a lot.